Hello, traders. FS Speculate here. Today is Tuesday, January 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, I still believe this is a 1-2. I think we're currently in a wave 3. I still believe it's going to make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, and most likely, especially looking at correlated pairs, this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which should go up and take out these highs before we potentially get another bigger move to the downside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's actually a very clear running flat pattern, kind of similar to what we have on the euro dollar, but the euro dollar made an expanding flat. I think this one made a running flat. I think the first move up is a 1. I think this is 3 waves down for the A, 3 waves up for the B, 5 waves down for the C. That means that we most likely are now in a wave 3, which I still think on this higher time frame, like the weekly, will continue to make higher highs, higher lows to make that wave 3 pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, we definitely do have what looks like a complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So the trend never was confirmed to be over. I mean, there is always a chance that it just keeps on going up, so keep that in mind. But it does look to me like we should make a little bit of a bigger correction, either go down to the 30 or the 50%. 50% may be even more likely to take out the lower wave 4 to make what I think is going to end up being an A, a B, and a C of wave 2. I think this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a 1. I think once this wave 2 is over, we should go up for a wave 3. I believe this is all a wave 3 on the weekly and monthly, so this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and most likely a 3 of 3 coming. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I'm not really convinced this move up is over. It kind of seems to me like it needs to go up and bounce off one of these fib levels in a more proper way, especially when you look at all correlated pairs. Seems to me like this is a downtrend for the A, and this is all just a big corrective wave B. And once this wave B is over, that's when I think it's going to make a bigger move to the downside, which possibly could even take out the low wave 4 to make that wave C like I was showing on the daily time frame. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have been going down pretty much all day right after the big push that we had up yesterday. Still, to me, looks pretty corrective. So I would definitely still be looking for that impulsive engulfing move to the upside. If you do get that impulsive engulfing move to the upside with a higher low, especially if you can identify a break of structure on maybe a little bit of a sort of time frame, that would be exactly what I'd be looking for a short-term long, probably take it up to the 78%. And potentially that's going to be the area where it respects and maybe, tomorrow on Wednesday or maybe even Thursday at the CPI news is when it actually will end this correction, ending at wave B and potentially starting a new downtrend for the bigger wave C, like I was showing on the 4 hour and on the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.